Hi, and welcome to what's going to be an introduction series about programming in Python. This video series is aimed at people who are just getting started with programming. We will start with the very basics of installing Python and setting up our development environment. Then we will go on to creating our first Hello World application, and later get to learn about the concepts of conditionals, loops, functions, and more. The goal of this course is that you should have some basic knowledge of the topics mentioned earlier. And you should be able to write some simple Python applications yourself. I hope you find this video series interesting. If so, please like this video and subscribe for more content. I will add links to all the resources used down in the description. To get started, we need to download and install Python on our computers. For that, we need to go to this Python website over here and hit download. I'll download the latest version, which at the moment is 3.9.1. And I will open the installer. And here you can just hit next all the way through. I have already installed Python on my computer, so I will just exit this installation. When it comes to writing code, you can of course use any text editor you like, but I recommend downloading an IDE. I would recommend using Visual Studio Code, since it's quite user-friendly and it's free. To download the Visual Studio Code, go to this website over here and download the version for your OS. Now I have already installed Visual Studio Code, so I will just open it over here. And now we need to choose a folder as to where we can store our code. So I'll just hit File over here and Open. And I'll create a new folder. And hit Open. So now we have created a new directory where we can put all our Python files. So now you should be set to start coding. And in the next video, we will create our first Hello World application.